Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Toyota's 2001 to 2007 Sequoia.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Hold up your part to the frame rail and mark off the coverage. Remove 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch from the bottom of the frame. Our part features a perforated plate that can be removed to fit over your factory middle body mount. If you plan on keeping this mount, remove the plate at this time. If you have a replacement body mount, cut off the factory mount and leave the plate on the part. Step 4. Slide your frame section into place using the frame holes to aid in alignment and C-clamp it in place. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Weld 100% around all edges. Step 5. If you have a replacement body mount, install it now. Finally, paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Then you're done.